Many folks near retirement wrestle with this question. Should I enter retirement debt-free or keep a mortgage for flexibility? Hi, I'm Andrew, and this is Golden Age Financial, a YouTube channel helping older adults build confidence with money, investments, and everyday financial decisions. Today we'll break down the basics so you can plan confidently. Let's look at the pros and cons, walk through examples, and help you feel clearer on your path forward. In this part, we'll look at why this choice matters more than ever. Traditionally, retirement was all about zero debt. Burn that mortgage note and celebrate with cake. But times have changed. Mortgages are bigger, retirement savings vary, and rates fluctuate like my knees after gardening. Plus, housing is often our biggest expense and biggest asset. That creates tension. Eliminate it or leverage it. Understanding the realities, not just old rules, can help make a smarter choice for your situation. Bottom line, this decision impacts peace of mind, cash flow, taxes, and long-term flexibility. Let's unpack the reasons retirees often lean toward mortgage freedom. First, peace of mind. Knowing your home is paid off can be emotionally freeing, like finishing your last dentist appointment ever. It also lowers your monthly expenses, reducing pressure on your nest egg or fixed income. There's no risk of foreclosure in a downturn or emergencies if the house is yours, free and clear. And emotionally, many retirees hate the idea of entering retirement with lingering debt. It just feels unfinished. Of course, if your mortgage interest rate is higher than what you'd earn investing, that's another reason to pay it off. Bottom line, paying off early provides security and peace, but may cost you in growth or liquidity. Now let's look at smart cases for keeping that mortgage in place. If your mortgage rate is low, say under 4%, and you expect investment returns of 6 or higher, you may come out ahead keeping it. Keeping a mortgage may give you more cash for health costs, travel, or those 7 grandchildren you spoil shamelessly. Paying off the mortgage from your retirement accounts could trigger big tax bills. Uncle Sam loves a surprise party. And you may qualify for mortgage interest deductions, though that depends on your filing and loan size. Liquidity, a fancy word for cash, gives flexibility. Equity is locked in your home, not easy to tap if needed fast. Bottom line, keeping the mortgage allows flexibility and growth, but carries ongoing costs and possible risk. This section gives you tools to weigh what's best for you. Start with a full picture: your income sources, savings, debts, and living expenses. Pretend you're listing it for your nosiest neighbor. Next, think about what matters most: security, flexibility, leaving assets, or minimizing taxes. Look at your cash flow with and without a mortgage. If the monthly payment takes a big bite, that's a clue. On the other hand, if you're more Warren Buffett than worrying Buffalo, investing that money may beat paying off. You can also split the difference. Pay part off, refinance, or time your payoff strategically. Bottom line, align the decision with your values, numbers, and vision, not just one-size-fits-all advice. Let us wrap up with a quick checklist. The big takeaway? Either path can be right. What matters is how it lines up with your goals, money, and your peace of mind. Here's a simple plan going forward. First, review your income streams. Next, calculate your monthly costs with and without a mortgage. Finally, talk to a pro if you're unsure. If this helped, share it with someone else wondering what to do with their home loan. And drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. And as always, this video is for education only and not financial advice. Consult a qualified professional for personal guidance.